Let's do another Pinterest audit for Corina this time. So let's have a look at her profile and give her some tips and tricks how she can improve her Pinterest business profile. So her business is about t-shirts for tall women, clothes with a conscious designer. First thing I would do is I would probably change this picture, Corina. I will show I would show like the t-shirts on somebody, like on you, like you have on your e-shop. So basically I can definitely see more way how to use the t-shirts when I see it on somebody, like on this woman. So it's always better, more personal, if I see how this, let's say this woman, when you have the new arrival, is wearing this t-shirt and I can see how it fits. So it's much better to see, like a lifestyle picture, or you can even put your picture there, how you are wearing your t-shirt. So it will be great to have something like this here. So I can imagine it's not only t-shirt, but it's also t-shirt for tall woman. And then also you can use it in different outfits. So I would maybe put a picture of you or somebody else with like wearing your t-shirts and showing them from different perspective, maybe in the summer, or maybe with some outfits. So I can see it straight away that it's not only about the t-shirts. Your picture here is perfect. And also I would probably make some statement here, like you have on your website, something like tall and sassy t-shirts tailored for high confidence. Something like that. So it's basically straight away here, some t-shirts, some statement here, the tagline of your shop. So something like sassy and tall t-shirts, which gives you confidence, and then www and sassyandtall.com. Definitely put it in the profile here. I would keep the eco-friendly, it's fine. But as I said, put the text here. So I straight away see the t-shirts on somebody, how it looks like and how it fits. And also what is it about? What is the statement, the tagline here? And also it's another way Pinterest is searching visually. So it's also, if you add the text on the picture, on the cover image, it will kind of help you with the optimize, like with the search. So people searching more for this. I would remove totally Corina, because Corina, it's nothing to do with your brand. Like nobody's going to search for Corina if they're looking for t-shirts for tall women. So Corina, it doesn't have to be there. Clothes with the conscience design. I would put something more, definitely something like women's fashion, casual outfits, t-shirts, or t-shirts for tall women, or casual outfits, fashion, things like that. Yeah. So it has absolutely more. You need to have your whole profile basically optimized with the keywords, because right now it's not really optimized. There are no good keywords to which I would kind of find your profile. So fashion, woman clothes, casual outfits, t-shirts for a tall woman, women's accessories. You also have other things I saw in Etsy. So definitely search again for more keywords which would fit to your business. Because here, if you see the description of the profile, kind for your closet and earth, customer with love, first-time grandmother, show living in family time, Canadian born and bred. There is no keyword, absolutely zero keywords. That's why they can't even find you, right? There is no fashion, no clothes, no t-shirts, woman, accessories, fall outfits, anything like which can be keywords for you. So there is absolutely nothing here, which also kind of confusing Pinterest what it can be. So I see you have connected your profile with Instagram at some point. It's okay, but I will talk about the pins later, but you can connect it like you did, but certain way, it's always better to drive the traffic to your Shopify store, not, or Etsy store, not to your Instagram, because you, as long as you drive them from Pinterest to Instagram, you lose the people, they stay on Instagram and they never come back to you. So it's kind of one of the strategy. I think here the boards, they are very, very similar. T-shirts for tall women's t-shirts, tall women t-shirts, casual t-shirts, and jean outfits for tall women, Casual outfits for tall women. Okay. I mean, you can have also something more like neutral, like women's fashion or casuals woman fashion, or tips and inspiration for woman clothes, or anything. Like if you search, I just search for any kind of best outfits, best winter outfits or work clothes, casual work outfits. It could be women's clothes. Yeah, so all the online fashion, it could be, all these are keywords, and one of these could be like bigger, women's online fashion, or women's fashion for tall woman, for example. But you don't have to always have the tall woman, right? It can be also bigger. So as I said, women's fashion, casual outfit, inspiration, tips, behind the scenes, relatable, and photo shoot. It really doesn't make sense. It doesn't give me any information. So all of these you could rename or archive, because they are not really helping you here. There is no like behind the scenes of what, behind the scenes of your shop, or behind the scenes of your brand. Like, what is it about, you know? Behind the scenes, it doesn't tell me anything. It's not a keyword. Relatable also, and photo shoot also, it's not a keyword. So I would rename all of these. T-shirts for a tall woman, okay. You can keep one or two of these boards, and the other ones I would just put casual outfits for a woman. And you can have fashion, or for example, fall and winter inspiration, fashion inspiration. You could have outfits for any occasion, for example. So you can put all the different types, and not always tall woman. You can also add to each board. You should have correct board description, which we don't have. So first would be like really optimize your boards and add the descriptions and change the whole basically profile, optimize it in the keywords, which are also trendy, because now it's fall, it's coming, and winter, and people are going to search also for like a gift. Why you don't have like it could be your t-shirts or your products could be gifts. So like gifts for women, because it can be you know, anybody can buy your t-shirts. So unusual or fashion Christmas gifts, it could be anything. So gifts for women, it's also great keyword for this moment. All of these on the top are the Instagram basically posts, so there is not much I can say. These are the reels. I would definitely don't allow automatic posting from Instagram, because it doesn't make sense. These kind of pictures are never going to work on Pinterest, especially when it's a white background. I can't really see what is it the product about. It goes back to Instagram. It has hashtags and all the kind of like a description without keywords, because there is no keywords here. Tank top maybe one, but that's it. Really not giving me any whatsoever, like any information which I would like, why I would click on these pins. You were asking like why people don't engage with my pins. There is no point of engaging with the pins, because there is no extra information for me. If I want to see like, okay, I don't have to click on this pin because I already see it. Okay, I see it's a picture of the t-shirts, but it goes to Instagram. So at this point, I don't even know if I can buy it. What is it so special about this t-shirt that I can, you know, why I would click on this pin? So I always ask, what is your ideal audience really want? Why they would click on this? Why they would engage with this pin? I see before you were having somebody probably doing the pins for you, maybe it's from Tailwind, I think. Some of these are pretty good. The only thing is that it's always the same topic. So you have tall tees, stylish, tall tees, stylish. So you make like a batch of paints with the same text, with different pictures, but always the same, like perfect tee for perfect tee again. You know, so it's all the same here. I mean, it's okay, but at the end, you want to give them like more information. So for example, 5 style tips for tall woman, perfect, because I saw you have one freebie. 5 easy ways to style t-shirt. That's great. You have one freebie, made in ConvertKit, perfect. And try to also do it if you like. This is one of the ways you can drive the customers and grow your email list is basically with freebies, which has some kind of value. The thing is that if you always put the same, let's say, text, 5 style tips, 5 style tips, 5 style tips for tall women, always the same, at some point it's like try to do it different way. If you already have this great freebie, try to the overlay text, try to put it different way. This is one of the reasons you can actually drive and grow your email subscribers if you give them something like that. Because if it's let's say how to find different ways how you can style your let's say, are you going to party? Find ways, style, okay, find outfits you can take to the party. So I'm like, okay, tips for a casual wear outfit for party. I'm already clicking on this pin because I want to see these tips. So then it's the freebie, perfect. I'm going to download, I give you my email. That's how you grow your email list. But at one point also, if you're only doing one freebie all the time, like here, free 5 ways, it's always the same. You have to try to change it. There are a couple of things you can do. You can try to change the freebie, put different text, different style, different designs, drive it to landing page because you only have the form. There is no landing page. I would actually create and convert a landing page. It's not going to be only the form, but also directly to landing page, which is going to tell me more about why I should download this access to 5 easy ways. And of course, at some point, you will need to create something else. Like maybe you want to drive them to your newsletter also, not only to give them something for free, but why I should sign up to your newsletter, right? For example, here in your Shopify website, I find the way you can actually, there's only one way here on the homepage how I can sign up for latest trends. It's not really visible on your Shopify. I mean, it's kind of not even highlighted. So I don't know why I should kind of sign up here. Okay, exclusive newsletter, latest trend special offer. Could be, but you could also have this freebies and more reasons, you could have it on your Shopify store somewhere. Because if you want to drive them, you can also create and use a little bit of your blogs. So one of the ways you can drive customers, to your from Pinterest to your Shopify store is freebies, blog posts, videos, images, and of like giving them like tips and tutorials, for example, how to take care of your t-shirts. And here you have a couple of posts. What is a bamboo fabric? Embracing your height is being a sweaty Betty have to happen during menopause, I guess. So like you have also like some t-shirts with menopause, great. Like give them some tips, like make some videos what to do if I am, having some situations, if I'm too hot. Use all of your knowledge, know-how, and put it on the pins. So yeah, that's okay. I will definitely try for the future. Not auto posting from Instagram to Pinterest. Sorry, from Pinterest to Instagram. Delete this auto post so it will only create the pins for Pinterest, which has the correct size. You are only using 1,500 pixels. This is okay, but you also want to use the longer ones, which is like the reel, but without the music from Instagram because there is a copyright issue with Instagram music. So edit from the application of Pinterest, you can add music in Pinterest music. Create more of these pins. You want to drive traffic to your blog post, so give them some tips. Why should I buy your t-shirts? What is so special? Something about you behind the scenes. Give me some video tutorial. Show me how the t-shirt will arrive when it's in the box, how it opened, the transformation, the atmosphere, So I would do all this and all longer pins. and using some of these. And I also saw in Etsy, I found your shop. Yeah, you see here, you have the custom bamboo t-shirts and more. So it will be ideal if you something like this, you put on Pinterest again with the t-shirts, which are actually on like lifestyle images. Try to use as many lifestyle images as you can. People love these on Pinterest. And also you can put on Pinterest something like Halloween decoration or Halloween mugs, Halloween topic in general. It's very big. Floral designs and patriotic USA. Also, you can use menopause humor. Yeah, why not? Why not talk about more about menopause and using t-shirts for it, right? So make a short videos and try to use it this way. So if you have more questions, let me know. I think your topic, let's say your niche could work very well, but give them some value. Give the users, your ideal customers want to see more than just the t-shirts. They want to know why I should buy it. What is the benefit? Why did you start this brand? Show me behind the scenes how you make these t-shirts. What is the bamboo fabric? Why are you using this fabric? All these questions. What is the solution you're giving them if I buy these t-shirts? So focus on this. You can do it either with a blog post, with tips, short videos, long videos, whatever you feel comfortable with. So this was the audit for Corina. And if you also want some audit, you can sign up in this. On the description, we have a form, and I also give you some small audit like this.